We start with 1 hour chart. So quick update. If you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was within this correction, and this is what we get. And there was opportunity to look for buy either from here and here as a second and the third trade. And for those traders, they get a trade for buy because we have been looking for to see the breakout of the 13. And as you can see, the price broke, and right now it's start to correct. For those traders, they get a trade within this move. If they want to keep the trade, at least they should book some profit or move their stop loss to break even. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We start with daily chart. We mentioned with the breakout of the 13, we're looking for 0.145. And the most important things, we need to see the breakout of the 16. But the targets we're looking for is 19 following by 23, right? 0.225 as exact value. Anyway, we're looking for continuation and we have been looking for buy, and right now we want to see what's the next, because if we move to forward chart with the breakout of the since the price tag 13, now we see it's reverse. And if we put this low, if we put this stop in relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. This is where we need to be quite careful. Okay, I don't think we're going to see the reversal, and mostly we can expect to get the correction with a similar to what we have here. And I don't think this is the one we're going, because if this one turned to deeper correction, then we can expect we will be within this move for longer time. What I'm looking for if I get any correction from here, I will take the trade. But we are going to get any correction similar to what we have here, either at this price or at the higher price. The reason I'm highlighting this one, if you want to look for buy, as long as the price haven't break the 16, we are expecting to see the deeper correction. But from what I see, what I see right now, I don't think that this is where we're going to see the deeper correction, because uh, most of this, I mean, because we are in the uptrend, and since this down move or corrective move we see for most of the charts. But what I'm looking for, if I get any correction from here, and mostly we prefer to see the correction above the 13, then if you get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. When I say above the 13, what I prefer the price move a bit higher, it turns to flag, then we will take the trade. This is the best if you want to look for the next trade. But anyway, for those traders, they get the trade within this move, they need to manage it. And right now we are not going to look for buy simply, that's maybe simply we are not going to buy. We have to wait for the correction before we take the next trade. And if we get the next trade with a breakout of 0.145, we're looking to see the breakout of the 16. That's mean the 15 or 16, we need to see the breakout of these two levels. Anyway, at this point, I don't see any opportunity to look for buy. Having entry above this is not a really good option, and we prefer to wait another few hours. If the price continue to drop, we just let it go. But if we see the price consolidate here, we see the correction, we will take the trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.